Y'all, welcome to my channel, Thrifty Tashi. So in today's video, y'all coming along with me as I deep clean inside of my fridge. It's been about 6 years since I deep cleaned the back of my fridge, so my husband is going to pull it out. But overall, I'm happy to check this off of my to-do list and reset my home for the month of January. So y'all, let's get to going. It's so much to do. All right, y'all, so here's an overview of my refrigerator. Nothing fancy, just very basic. In the top part of the freezer, as you can see, there's lots of food in here. And at times I feel disappointed in myself because I know I'm wasting money. I'm not sticking to my grocery budget. And here is a proof of that. I see lots of food here. Some look like a mixture of leftovers. Some of the food items I did not know what it was and wrapped in foil. Now here in the lower half, again, lots of food just thrown in there. As you can see in the bottom, food are in crevices, which is really gross. I have pots in here of leftovers, and I'm sure there are expired food items in here as well. So pretty much I'm just going to take everything out and wipe down the shelves, but I'm going to remove the shelves and just deep clean the entire thing. Alright, so I emptied out everything from the door of the fridge, giving y'all a close up at all of the filthiness in the door. I'm so embarrassed, but y'all, it's going to feel so good when this is done. But first I'm going to take out the shelves. I'm going to try my best to take out the shelves and place them in my sink so I can deep clean it, and then I replace everything back. So as you can see, I'm trying to do it with one hand, but I had to pretty much put down the camera to accomplish this task. As the beans were soaking in the sink, it was the perfect time for me to go through all these condiments. As you can see here, I have the syrup from Cracker Barrel. I have a few of these bottles since everybody don't use the syrup during breakfast time. So I just thought it'd be a good idea to collect these and use the syrup and refill these bottles with my vanilla extract, for an example. I thought that would be a good idea, but did I do that? No. So I'm going to toss these out. And I'm just going to not collect these anymore, no matter how cute the bottles are. After using a scrubber, I always like to use Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes to finish up the task. Old garlic bread, some milk, some cereal that's been back here for about a year now. This is what I'm doing currently. I'm emptying out the split pea soup and I'm putting it in this freezer bag. I still need to deep clean inside of the freezer. organizing. As you saw, I already tackled the back of the fridge as well. So I want to show y'all briefly how I organized it. I purchased these bins, which I love, that I can see through them and I can keep them clean. I know exactly how much vegetables I'm storing. I did clean my broccoli, not broccoli, but my mushrooms, carrots, and tomatoes and store them in there. I have eggs. I did order another clear container for the eggs so I can see how many eggs I have, but it didn't come yet in Amazon. And on the second row, nice and clean and simple, in the first bin, I have all of the dairy products. I'll keep the milk in the middle. Even if we have other drinks in here, I'll just put them right there in the middle so I can see it clearly. And in this other clear bin, I have the cheeses, and it'll be like little snacks. So I love the way that's set up. And in the bottom row, I have this black basket for bread. I really didn't know what to do with the bread. And this is going to be the leftover area. So here we have some containers of leftovers that we're going to eat tonight. And the bottom drawer, right now I just have the kiwi. I store all the fruit in here, and in this other area I store the vegetables. And here in the drawer I'm just going to keep my minced garlic, since I use it a lot, and my butter. Now I am thinking of getting a little container for my butter so I don't make a mess at the bottom. So I'm going to see what Dollar Tree have for, I'll order it. And here's the freezer portion. It doesn't really look like it's organized, but you can see I have a ton of vegetables. A ton. I found some waffles that I didn't know we had. Part of the freezer is only going to be for the meats, and this area is going to be for the leftovers. So I have some leftover tomato sauce here with spaghetti sauce, split pea soup, and I have some frozen rice and more soup. I have some frozen meat that I could be cooking. I have whole chicken as well. So overall, I know the freezer doesn't look like it's in perfect condition, but I know exactly what I have now, and that's the important thing. I'm able to meal plan around every single food item I have in here and keep me sticking to my budget. So I'm very pleased with that. So that's pretty much going to wrap it up with this video. I hope y'all were motivated to tackle these projects, especially in the new year. Next on the agenda, I had to think. Next on the agenda, I am going to deep clean my oven. That's a whole nother video. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel and you're looking for like real life cleaning motivation, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I don't have the proper equipment to really, you know, to make my videos look fancy, but I'm getting the job done. And that's pretty much the main purpose why I'm sharing this with y'all here on my channel. This is real life, just making my home feel nice and cozy and just really living simply. So that's my whole goal. But overall, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what type of tasks are y'all tackling, especially in the new year. I would love to read the comments. All right, y'all, be blessed, and I'll chat with y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.